My name is Grace. I am 58 years old. I've never said this out loud before, but my son left me alone. I wake up every morning at the same time. The light comes in through the small window in my kitchen. I make tea, I sit at the table, I listen to the sound of the kettle. It is a soft sound, but the house still feels quiet. Too quiet. I used to wake up to his footsteps. My days are simple. I clean the house, I water the plants, I go to the small shop near my street. I smile at the man at the counter. He knows my name. He always asks how I am. I say I am fine. I always say I am fine. It is easier to say that. My son's room is still the same. His books are on the shelf. His old jacket hangs behind the door. Sometimes I touch it. The cloth is cold now. It does not smell like him anymore. Time takes small things away, one by one. When he was a child, he talked all the time. He told me about school. He told me about his dreams. I listened while I cooked. I listened while I folded clothes. I thought this would last forever. I thought he would always come back home at night. He grew older. His voice changed. He became quiet. He stayed in his room more. I told myself this was normal. I told myself he was just growing. I did not ask many questions. I did not want to push him. I was afraid of silence. But I chose it anyway. The day he left was not loud. There was no fight. There were no hard words. He packed his bag in the morning. He said he got a job in another city. He said it was a good chance. I nodded. I smiled. I said I was proud of him. My chest felt tight, but I did not show it. At the door, he hugged me. It was a short hug. His arms were strong. Mine felt meek. He said he would call. He said he would visit. Then he walked away. I stood there and watched his back. I did not cry. Not then. After that, the days became longer. The nights became heavier. I cooked too much food. I made his favorite soup by mistake. I put 2 plates on the table. Then I saw only 1 chair. I carried the extra plate back to the sink. He called sometimes. His voice sounded far away. He was busy. He was tired. He said he was happy. I listened. I asked small questions. I did not tell him about my quiet house. I did not tell him about the empty chair. I did not want to make him feel guilty. One evening, it rained hard. The rain hit the window again and again. I sat alone in the living room. The lights were off. I could see my face in the glass. I looked older. My hair had more gray. My eyes looked tired. That was the moment I felt it clearly. He did not leave because he did not love me. He left because it was time. This thought hurt. It also softened something inside me. I saw my life in a new way. I had been a mother for so long. I forgot how to be just myself. I waited for his calls. I waited for his visits. I waited for noise. I was waiting instead of living. The next morning, I opened the windows wide. Fresh air came in. I cleaned his room slowly. I folded his jacket and put it in a box. My hands shook, but I kept going. I was not throwing him away. I was making space. Space for breath. Space for now. I started walking in the park near my house. I sit on the same bench each day. I watch people pass by. Mothers with small children, old men feeding birds, young people talking and laughing. Sometimes I feel a sharp pain. Sometimes I feel calm. Both feelings stay. They do not fight anymore. When my son calls now, I listen with a lighter heart. I still miss him. I always will. But I do not hold him tight with my fear. I tell him about my walks. I tell him about the park. He laughs. He sounds closer, even when he is far. At night, I still make tea. I still sit at the table. The house is quiet, but it is not empty. I breathe. I feel my hands on the cup. I feel the warmth. I understand something simple now. My son did not leave me alone. He walked forward, and I stayed. Like a tree that lets its bird fly, I am still here, standing, learning how to feel the sky above me.